3 Pizza Fire Oven Italiano. The table with caster wheels and side tables is sold separately. Because of the insulated efficiency of the oven, you only need to burn 3 medium logs at a time. Once your fire is burning, let the oven heat up with the door closed for 30 minutes. The oven is made of insulated double-wall stainless steel. The top-shelf pizza cooks the fastest. You can cook a pizza here in about 2 minutes. After 60 seconds, you must rotate the pizza 180 degrees. Note the bubbles on the right bottom side. You need to rotate the pizza after 2 to 3 minutes here. Never trust a skinny cook. Please like and subscribe to support our channel.